Hey, what is up guys? Sketch Force TCG here, and today we're going to be opening up some community TCG packs actually. We have two of the same game. We are opening up some Food Frenzy booster packs. Yes. I've actually got some misprints with these. Hold up, let me get those so I can show them. Or miscuts, I mean. Hold up. There's my little folder binder thingy. I'll get those up so I could show those. Just let me get them. Hoping the camera did this position wrong again. These cards. I got four actually. So yeah, four miscut cards. Got ouch. Loch Ness fruit. I don't think that's a miscut. Is it? I don't know. It looks perfectly fine. I don't know if that's actually a miscut. I don't know. I think it's just a regular card. That Taterbot, which has a cut right there. Taterbot? Triceratops? I can't say it. It's got a little... You can see the line coming down and this too. That right there. It's going all the way down to here. And oh, he's upside down. And we got asparagus. He's just very damaged. Yeah. So those are the miscuts. I'm going to get my scissors because I don't want to damage the booster packs. I like to keep them for safekeeping. I like to keep the community back. Oh, they're right there. Okay. Yes, my very sharp scissors. I'll cut you with it. No, okay, I'm not gonna cut you. Or should I do it the way I'm supposed to open it? Because I don't want to damage these packs. I like to keep them like very nice and not destroyed. I'll cut the top, but I won't fucking destroy the packaging because I fucking love it. Look at it. It's so peak, yo. We also got this one too. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. It's the same on the back, but yellow. There are 130 cards to collect by Dominate Games. Food Frenzy TCG on YouTube. Go watch him now. I think I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description of the video. So I'm probably gonna start out with the yellow pack. We're gonna get some cards here. My first ever community TCG pack opening. Make sure I don't cut the cards. I'm gonna go up a little higher. Come on. Yeah, almost there. Is it open? No, it is not. Oh, it is. It's like a little baggie in the middle. I think he made a video on how he made his cards, but yeah. Just let me. There we go. Oh god, I don't want to show the cards yet. Hold up, just let me try to see if I get all the cards. Nope, that is not all the cards. Hold up. These, I believe, are in the front. Is that it? Yep. These should be right here. Alright. I'm not going to do the card technique because I don't want to. I'm hoping it looks good. And we got Gelatin Man. Ooh, what's this? Todd the Spartan Tater Tot. Ooh, that's funny. This is Sparta. This is fucking epic. Holy. I like this. We got a good in condition asparagus. Ooh. Wad of gum. Butter Boy. Wheat Stalker. Ooh, I like this card. That looks awesome. I like that. Take a look at this. Todd, Spartan Tater Tot. Oh, this is another version of it. I guess it's like the normal version. I got the rare one. I got both. Pancake. I like that. Pancake. Pancake. Pickle Man. I guess this is a spell card. This is a condiment cannon. Yes. Freezer. Frieza. Ooh, what's that? I don't want to show that yet. Radioactive rice cake. That's funny. Fork. Another spell card, yeah. And Chef's Special. I guess this is a spell card? I don't know. I guess those are items cards. Chef Special. Automated chip. That's awesome. And that's it for that pack. I love it so far, yo. This is peak. Put the cards. Let me get that. Cards like right there. I'm gonna put this up after filming the video, and this one too. Just let me open this. So let's just be very freaking easy. Try not to cut the cards. Yeah, I got it fully open this time. And I'm hoping I did not cut the cards this time. Hold up, let me be sure. Yeah, I'm gonna open it from this side, the back. Hold up. I'm gonna make sure I grab every single one. Let's make sure. Yep, everything is grabbed. Everything is gotten. So, here we go. Avocado. He was actually on the yellow booster pack. Hold up. So there he is. Oh, I got him on the booster pack too. We got both booster packs. That's awesome. We got Jam, Crumble Cookie, Illuminati Corn. I know what that reference is. I know the reference, yo. Gravity Falls, Little Cipher, Churro Tower, Brachiosaurus Pie. I can tell this is a new card. It looks brand spanking new. Slow Cooker. That's definitely a new card. Holy shit, that looks like fucking highly detailed. Holy shit. We got another freezer. A butter knife. A cheerful meal. I like the face. Picky fellow. Oh my god. Picky fellow. We got a fire melon. I mean, I can't speak, yo. Cheeto buff. I love that, yo. I love that. The Cheeto buff. Granola bar. I can't read. I don't know how to speak or read. I think that's it. Granola bar. Yeah, that's everything. That's all the cards we got. So far, this is a really good TC trading card game. A great homemade TCG, and you should definitely check out his YouTube channel and buy some of his cards. So check out Food Frenzy TCG, subscribe to him, and you should definitely buy some of his cards and booster packs and whatever else he sells. But yeah, this is a really good trading card game. I really suggest buying a pack or two, or even more, or 100. You should buy all of it and do it now. But you should subscribe to him, and you should like the video and subscribe to me too. And you should buy some packs from his game, and you should buy some packs from my game, Sketchworks TCG. That's it for this video. Oh no, I spread it out. That's it for this video. See you in the next. Goodbye.